Use your DIY skills to keep your shop clean while saving money at the same time. The Grizzly T10699 Downdraft Table Kit is the perfect way to improve the cleanliness and professionalism of your wood shop. This kit comes complete with 4 downdraft panels, 64 rubber downdraft grommets, 4 plastic work stops with nuts, 1 4-inch dust port, and step-by-step instructions on how to build the downdraft box. Each panel measures 6 3/4 inches wide, 16.5 inches long, and 13/16 inches high. The instructions are designed for half-inch sheet stock, measuring 30.5 inches by 48 inches, but it can be substituted with the wood type of your choice. The first step will be to mark and cut out all the pieces from the sheet stock from the cut list provided. There will be 1 bottom, front, and rear pieces, and 2 side, insert, and guide bar pieces. Next is to install all the rubber grommets in all panels, evenly spaced and staggered in each row. Now we need to cut the hole for the 4-inch dust port in the rear piece. Center the hole horizontally and position the bottom of the hole at least 1 inch from the bottom to account for the lip of the dust port. Installing the guide bars for the panels starts with marking lines on the front, rear, and side pieces, measuring so that the panels will sit flush with the top edge of the box. Then install the guide bars on the front and rear pieces. From here we can start assembling our box by attaching the bottom piece to only the rear and 2 side pieces for now. Next, we want to take both insert pieces and miter cut one end at 30 degrees and the other end at 60 degrees. Place the 60-degree ends of the inserts just below the line markings on the side pieces and attach the inserts into place. Attaching the front piece will complete the box. Now, place the downdraft panels on the guide bars and attach the dust port and you're good to go. It's also worth noting that you can combine multiple kits to build a larger table, or even take advantage of Grizzly's huge variety of dust collection hoses and fittings to personalize your setup. Completely customizable to suit your shop and your wallet. The Grizzly T10699 Downdraft Table Kit is what you make of it. Visit grizzly.com to learn more and to get yours today.